open a new era of innovation. Galaxy AI will reshape the technology landscape with Galaxy S24 series. Truly, the phone of the future.
The Samsung S24 Ultra stands at the pinnacle of technological innovation in the world of smartphones, offering a range of features that make it the top choice for users seeking an extraordinary experience. Here are some key advantages of the Samsung S24 Ultra. Supported by the latest processor and ample RAM, the Samsung S24 Ultra offers exceptional performance. The phone can handle heavy tasks such as multitasking, gaming, and resource-intensive applications smoothly, providing users with a seamless and responsive user experience. With its elegant design and high-quality materials, the Samsung S24 Ultra not only gives off a luxurious impression, but is also comfortable to hold. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to operate with one hand and imparts a futuristic allure. The Samsung S24 Ultra provides sharp visuals, high contrast, and vibrant colors. The display not only pleases the eyes, but also enhances the experience of watching videos, playing games, and exploring other multimedia content with a high level of satisfaction. Equipped with a long-lasting battery that supports a full day of use, the Samsung S24 Ultra ensures users won't have to worry about running out of power. Additionally, its fast-charging feature allows users to quickly recharge the battery, providing extra convenience for daily use. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts an advanced camera system that delivers an outstanding photography experience. With a high-powered main camera, large sensor, and cutting-edge image processing technology, this phone can capture high-quality photos and videos even in challenging lighting conditions.